Hello and welcome to another video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that recently I have done the radium on my alloy wheels. Basically it is very helpful in the night, right? It's very visible to each and every people. Okay, so the main reason is that, and the second thing is that it looks pretty when you see the bikes. Okay, these are the two main advantages of using this. So guys, if you want to do this, you can do it any of the shops you can visit, and you can do it. It's very cheap, but it has a good advantage to it. Okay, and guys, if you are new subscriber to this video, I think you have not subscribed to my channel, so you need to subscribe for more updates, and I will show you the latest video regarding the bike. And if you have any question regarding this, you can comment and you can watch the video till the end. I will show you the videos how they have mounted this radium on my bike. Okay, so stay tuned and watch the video till the end.
Here we go.
So guys, you have seen this video and I think you have got something and how the bike looks at the end. Okay, it's look very good, and it's after the installing the radium, I think it's looking very fantastic. So guys, if you want, you can do it. It hardly cost me like 200 rupees for installing this radium. And if you have any doubt regarding this, so you can just have to comment and I will reply your comment. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more updates regarding this. Okay guys, hope you will enjoy this video. Until then, take care, bye bye. I will see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.